Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to host a website on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. So in the, as you can see, top left corner, we have the three lines where we have the home, issues, pull requests, etc. And in the top right corner, as you can see, when you click on your profile picture, you can set status, your profile repositories, and those kind of things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and host a website on GitHub. So hosting a website on GitHub is a great way to get your site online for free. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. So we have 5 steps. Create a GitHub account, of course, as I already told you. Create a new repository. So you need to go and click on new here and create a new repository and go into it. Then upload your website files. You can either drag and drop files into the repository or use git commands to push your files from the local machine to GitHub. Then you need to enable GitHub pages. Go to settings at the top of your repository here. Scroll down to the GitHub pages section. You need to go and find the GitHub pages here. Then when you find the GitHub pages, guys, you need to go to settings. Under source, select the branch you want to use, click save, and then just go and access your website. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.